Hello YouTube. 2010 Yukon Denali XL1500. So what I'm doing today, I'm replacing rack and pinion fluid lines. I mean, it's not happening that often. This is the custom order parts. They're not selling in a regular store. You gotta go to a dealer. You have to explain it. They will get it for you. So to help you understand exactly what I'm doing, these are the fluid lines that are located directly on the rack and pinion. Yes, mine happened to rust it out right there because it's upstate New York. Rust is the king. So I have to replace two of them. Guess what? I went to a dealer. Take a look. $43 a piece. I mean, it ran me $93 for 2 lines. But this is what you got to do. So I'm under a car, right? That's the front of your car. Originally, when you're under a car, you have this shield. See the 2 bolts in there? And there is 2 bolts in here. You take them off, the shield comes off. Why am I doing that? Because I need access to this area in there. So what I have to do next, I don't know how to get in here, but I'm just trying to help you guys to see what I'm talking about. You see this? Right there, this nut? I have to lose that nut. Ah, Jesus Christ. Right there, I have to lose that nut, get the bracket out, and once that bracket is out, then I will move on. And you see this one? It's 3/4, and it's the second one, 3/4. I'll remove those one at a time. As you laying under a car, which is in here, you can take a nap because, you know, Denali, plenty of space. I was just sitting when I did that side. But you can also reach these guys in here from behind. Unfortunately, it's very hard to get it in here from this side, so that's why I'm going to do that right there from this side. So I'm unscrewing this nut, right? See what's happening? There's oil in there. So have something. Towel, some clean rag, dirty rag, whatever you got to do. Otherwise, it'll drip straight in your face. Okay? This is what you have to expect, right? So be ready for that. I'm just telling you, since I'm laying under a car, I have to be shaky a little bit because, you know, I'm using one hand to hold that bucket, and the second hand trying to make you guys a video because I figure since I'm doing it, somebody else might be in the same trouble. So here it is. I clean it up. I broke one loose, broke the other one loose. I used 3/4 wrench. So collected some fluid, set it aside. So after fighting with the rusted screw, I mean, I had a really big pain in the neck to get that bracket off because that screw was rusted and it's stripped. So I spent about 45 minutes fighting it. This is what I ended up doing. I broke off those lines, right? That freed up the space. And then this is the sucker that caused me the issue. I filed it a little bit, trying to get around. The 10mm won't work. I tried to get this guy on, the little tiny one, it didn't work. So guess what I did? Just a second. So that was my magic tool. Got that on, and I will be able to get that loose. Now I'm about to put the second line in. The only sad part is it's really hot outside. That's the second line that goes in. It's really hard to record it and trying to push that in, but I'll try to do it. So lines are in. Put the bracket on. I'm gonna go work on that little screw because, or I'll have to replace it because I don't want to put the screw in that I won't be able to take it off later on. So the bracket is in. I got the new screw. And now a final step of just tighten that. And that would be the end of the story. So like I said, you got these two guys, and you got that bracket that hidden behind here. Not sure if we can see those new lines, but I'm pretty sure they are right there. And here they are, two of them. Alright guys, and that would be the end of the story. Thank you for watching. Hope that helps somebody.